What's up everybody and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm opening up a single unlimited pack of Flesh and Blood Monarch and got it backwards. Piercing Shadow Vow, Smash with Big Tree, Rift Bend, Wartor, Exposing Lightning, Express Lightning or whatever that's called, Talisman, Zeus, Pound per Pound. I really do like the way these cards look. Don't know how you tell what's uncommon or not. The rare, we have a rare rainbow. Nice. Ah, that's why it was backwards. Okay. But we did manage to hit a rainbow foil rare, but that's gonna be it for this video.